Okay, let's not sugarcoat it. We detest handling money. Even our brows wrinkle in reaction to the phrase, because managing funds requires a lot of effort. It's challenging and intense, but it's also tediously dull. However, one of the most crucial aspects of company is financial management. Because we don't like it, we cannot just ignore it. Downloading financial tools on your PCs and mobile devices will make it simple for you to handle your money like an expert. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. What exactly is a financial tool? Imagine having to manage all of your company's accounts, determine profits and losses, create budgets, pay taxes, and so much more. All while making sure you follow the law. You'll be overworked, stressed, and weighed down by paperwork. In this situation, a financial instrument may be useful. A financial tool is a device or piece of software that aids in your company's management of resources, revenue, and expenses in order to increase profits. It benefits your company by avoiding accounting mistakes, maintaining compliance with tax and accounting standards, quantifying budget planning, balancing several bank accounts, and much more. These are just a few of the operations it assists with. Why does your business need a tool to manage finance? Technology develops financial instruments, and we are aware that in contrast to people, technology almost never makes errors. In addition to the apparent benefit of accurate, simple, and hassle-free money management made possible by them, this gives you a number of other reasons why financial tools are essential for your organization, including by using financial tools, you may avoid making errors or typos while conducting accounting, avoid delays when dealing with customer contacts, and have instant access to all of your crucial financial data. Things to consider before choosing a financial management tool. There are a multitude of solutions accessible now that you've realized you need software to manage your financial process changes. There are a lot of possibilities, which is a terrible thing. You would like to invest that time and money on other beneficial duties, rather than examining every financial management system to discover which one best fits you. Here are some considerations to ponder before selecting a financial management tool to assist you in reducing that extensive list. Number 1. Budget. You must decide how much you are willing to pay on a money management tool. The budget should account for the cost of software installation, employee training expenses, support and maintenance fees, and upgrade expenses. Number 2. Security. Do you want private financial information to be discussed at the office cafeteria? Giving everyone free access has the drawback of increasing the risk of a hacker gaining access to your financial data. If access is severely limited, it could be difficult for your employees to do their duties effectively. For you to be able to monitor who has access to what, you need a financial management platform with granular roles. Number 3. Scalability. You need a financial management tool that can expand along with your company and meet all of your requirements in the process. When bottlenecks develop as a consequence of outdated software, your productivity decreases. After spending time and money on financial management software, switching to another system will be challenging. Number 4. Cloud vs on-premise. Examine if a cloud-based or on-premises application will suit your needs the best. These methods all have benefits of their own. A cloud-based system may be accessed from anywhere at any time. Your data is always safeguarded and upfront expenses are lowered with a cloud financial management system. On the other hand, on-premise solutions are quite costly but provide you total control over your data despite the fact that your data is housed locally. Financial tools. You may now study the list of financial tools to manage, track, and monitor expenses. Number 1. QuickBooks. If you're seeking for a versatile financial solution, we advise looking into QuickBooks, a fantastic accounting and bookkeeping tool that will make managing your money simple and effective. It may be used to handle payrolls, maintain tabs on your company's finances and records, create specialist financial reports, keep track of expenditures, and provide sophisticated reporting. The nice thing with QuickBooks is how quickly your data can be used to create income statements, balance sheets, and statements of cash flows. Furthermore, the app lets you make and amend estimates, sales receipts, and customer bills, all of which are instantly accessible from any location. From a tax viewpoint, QuickBooks is fantastic since it makes keeping track of your money throughout tax season easier. It also syncs with your business credit cards and bank account, so you always have the most recent financial information. Next, what? It creates interesting graphs and charts for your company. It is entirely web-based and includes a mobile app for Windows and Mac. Number 2. Mint. The next item on the list is Mint, a safe web-based financial management solution for your business's finances. It is generally known for being an excellent budget planner that makes setting up budgets simple, creates objectives and reminders, and syncs your online data with the app. Mint provides an overview of your budget costs, credit report, and total spending while automatically updating your banking and credit card activities. When they are downloaded, it identifies and categorizes them so you can keep track of your daily spending. Additionally, Mint has a portfolio and investment tracker so you can monitor all of your accounts closely. All of your private financial information is kept secure by Mint's firewalls, encryptions, and authentication processes. Number 3. Bit.a. Bit is an excellent document collaboration tool that offers amazing possibilities for centralizing all of your financial procedures and documents. With a choice of 6 alternative styles, it provides a straightforward and unobtrusive editor for building elegant tables in your financial reports. Bit integrates with more than 100 online services, including as Google Sheets, Microsoft OneDrive, Lucidchart, etc., to enable you to develop financial plans that are multimedia-rich and interactive. Moreover, Bit provides you with access to a content library where you may upload and arrange all of your crucial spreadsheets, files, and other financial data. The ability to design individual workplaces and folders for organizing various financial papers is another fantastic Bit feature. By leveraging your finance department's client portal to allow your customers to review their financial records, you can also interact and communicate with them in real time. Next, what? You can easily go through all of your crucial financial papers with Bit's clever search tool. Number 4. Xero. You can import and manage your most recent credit card and banking transactions using the cloud-based accounting software Xero. View your cash flow in real time and make expert recurring invoices. You can manage your finances, payroll, and inventory with the aid of the more than 700 tools that are included. Because of its user-friendly dashboard display, which gives you a clear financial picture of your company, makes it simpler for you to handle payments, and guards against accounting errors, Xero is a great financial tool. Bank account synchronization is another function of Xero that keeps your data current. Next, what? The Xero platform allows an infinite number of users and features a simple user interface. Number 5. New Cash. A great accounting tool for small businesses is New Cash. Your stock portfolio, bank accounts, earnings, and outlays may all be tracked. New Cash's user-friendly interface makes managing payrolls and statement reconciliation simple. Due to its similarity to a checkbook register and use of double-entry accounting techniques, which guarantee that the books are balanced and the reports are correct, New Cash differs from other financial software packages. Additionally, it has tools that enable you to manage your customers, suppliers, invoicing, and payment processes. Linux, Mac OS, and Windows all work with New Cash. When do you need a finance management tool? In a scenario that is developing swiftly, a manual spreadsheet-based system has no place since it could impede your progress with inadequate data, repeated activities, and restricted accessibility. Most often, many teams will pool their expertise to make judgments more swiftly and comprehensively. You could need to utilize data from a CRM and a financial accounting software while preparing an invoice, for instance. Other parties may then need to manually approve the invoice. You've undoubtedly had to manually input the same data repeatedly if you've ever managed a list of financial operations using spreadsheets or other walled applications. When the taxman comes knocking, this takes a lot of time and is often error-prone, which might result in non-compliance. In order to ensure that everything functions properly, connecting all of these systems is essential. Investigate money management technology if you wish to increase output and decrease errors. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.